Hello, I'm Shubhangi. I'm from Kota, Rajasthan. Uh, my journey as a child has always been very loving, very caring, having supportive parents, very broad minded, who always supported my journey. They never pressurized me for anything. So it has always been a journey full of dreams. When I went for my higher studies, I went to DU for statistics, and that's where I was exposed to the world, to what's happening around, and I was able to explore myself even further. Post my 3 years, I did internship to understand the subject in greater depth, and that's where I got to know that this is not something I feel really connected to, and my real connection is only to work in a way where I can be of service to the community. And that's where I got into the development sector. I went for multiple rural immersion programs, and I was able to find answers to the burning question which stayed with me for like 7 to 8 years, which was how can farmers die of hunger? The people who grow food, how can they die of hunger? And that's where my journey started. It took me to multiple villages where I met a lot of people, and I got connected. I got introduced to natural ways of farming and to the struggles the people have on ground, and a lot of things. And also as a child, um, I have always been a part of alternative healing space. So in 2020, I got an opportunity to uh, to meet a person, or maybe I met my life partner, and both of us shared similar visions. And we stayed on a farm. We have been developing a food forest for which is like 8 years old now. We have met a lot of farmers in our journey, lot of health practitioners, people who are into alternative spaces, people who are into alternative education, and that's what brings us to the concept of holistic health. And today we are working to create awareness and consciousness around the same. What is my burning desire of as of now is that I have a 22 months old baby, and I want to set up an offline conscious community for him, and of course for ourselves too, where we can be together and we can craft a better world together. We can learn to live in harmony with nature and with ourselves. So that's my core agenda, to develop that community, offline and online, both, where you know we can just be ourselves and we can live in a way which is least harmful to nature. uh, yeah, as per our things today. Um and the major areas where I seek help currently, if I reflect, is number one, family communications. Whenever any family gatherings happen, there is that's intimacy which goes on missing. So I want to really work on that particular thing, that how can we make the family sharings and family communications much more meaningful, much more intimate, so that we can support each other in our journey even in a better way. Number two is, for any initiative you want to build, you need to have a team. So how to how to make a team, how to give wings to your dreams, how can I work on this thing even at a greater level with my family, and with the community. How can I work? Number three is that with the baby, how can we work on time management in practicing a sattvic lifestyle? How can we incorporate more and more elements into our day-to-day life, so as to stay connected to nature, and also being able to be financially self-sustainable. Because yeah, that's one challenge which I feel, that staying closer to nature and how can we create, how can we bridge that gap, that you are able to share your thoughts, live freely, and live sustainably, but also being able to support our own lives financially as well. uh, yeah, I think that that covers up who am I, and what has shaped my being to be. I My parents, I have seen my parents as a child always helping people, doing whatever was possible. I've always celebrated all my birthdays as a child in orphanages or in some places with kids who are underprivileged, who are not as privileged as me. And I've always seen and experienced that love and warmth, and I always wanted to be a person where I can be of service to others, like in whatever capacity possible. So that's has been my core as a child, and even now. uh, yeah, so that's all about me, and thank you.